Today we're going to dive into a project that's quick, easy, and adds a beautiful touch of elegance to any piece of fabric. I'm using this soft, dark peach cotton fabric. First, I folded the edge of my fabric and pinned it down to create a clean, crisp line. Now I'm going to fix my fabric onto my 8-inch wooden embroidery hoop. It's important to stretch and tighten the fabric so it's taut, as this will help keep your stitches even. Once your fabric is secure, you can remove the pins. Now for the thread. I'm threading my thin embroidery needle with my beige floss. A thin needle is key here, as it needs to glide smoothly through your beads. My needle is coming up from underneath the folded edge of the fabric, right at the first stitch point. We're going to stitch a buttonhole stitch all the way up, but with a twist. Let's add our first bead. After my needle comes up, I'm going to thread one of the small beige beads onto it. Then I'll take a buttonhole stitch, inserting my needle through the fabric and pulling it through the loop to secure the stitch and the bead. I'll continue this pattern, adding one bead to each stitch, working my way from the bottom to the top. See how easily each bead falls into place, creating a neat, sparkling line? This is a great technique for anyone, even if you're a beginner. A great tip here is to maintain consistent tension on your thread. This ensures each bead sits perfectly and your border looks uniform. It's fast, easy, and looks incredibly professional. And when you're done, you can simply go back through the folded edge to secure your thread. The best part is how versatile this beaded border is. This is a fantastic way to decorate your everyday clothes, but you can also use this for something really special. Imagine this elegant beading on the hem of a wedding dress, along a neckline, or decorating the cuffs of a blouse. It also works beautifully on accessories like bags, pouches, or even a simple scarf. The possibilities are endless, and you can change the look completely just by using different bead sizes or colors.